In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or a beginner, sometimes accessing support or getting your queries answered quickly makes a world of difference. Let's dive in. First things first, let's head over to QuickBooks Online. You can open your web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL to get started. Once you've landed on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign in button here. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to input your registered email and password carefully. It's crucial to keep this information secure. Once you've double checked your details, proceed by clicking on the sign in button to access your QuickBooks account. This might seem like a routine step, but remember, ensuring you're signed into the right account is key to receiving personalized help. Once you're inside, you need to locate the Help section, which you can find at the top right side of your QuickBooks dashboard. This section is your gateway to getting the assistance you need without leaving the page. Click on Help and it will unfold a few options before you. After clicking on Help, look for the Assistant tab. The Assistant feature is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, helping you with a wide range of queries. Clicking on this tab will open up a chat window where you can begin your conversation with the QuickBooks Assistant. Now you're all set to start typing your question or issue into the chat window. The QuickBooks Assistant is designed to respond promptly, helping to guide you to the information or action you need. It's a great tool for solving issues on your own time while still feeling supported. If you don't know what to ask initially, don't worry. You might want to start with something simple like asking for a feature overview or reporting an issue you've encountered. Over time, as you become more comfortable with using the Assistant, you'll find it easier to navigate your queries and get faster results. There you go. In just these few easy steps, you now know how to chat with QuickBooks Online. It's a fantastic way to expedite finding solutions, getting resources, and understanding your software better without needing to make a phone call or send an email. So next time you're stuck, remember this quick way to get the help you need. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.